Hey guys, we are back. We are back with a new video, and this is a much anticipated video. So many of you guys have been waiting for this one. If you can't tell by my voice, there's an echo. Because why, hun?
We are in an empty apartment.
And we are going to give you an empty apartment tour now. It's going to be a quick one because we just want to show you guys what it looks like fully empty, because today's move day and we are going to be filling this place full. And also, we are going to be building like crazy. So we'll do another apartment tour once everything's a little bit more furnished and finished. But for now, this is a quick little video, a quick sneak peek of our new flat. And we're so excited to show you guys. So I think what I'll do is I'll have George man the camera and follow me around the flat. So we'll start with the door, so just stay tuned.
Let's do it.
Welcome to our house.
So
This is our apartment, guys. So I'll start over here with our kitchen. So this is our nice little kitchen. We have a little stove. We have this really nice, huge fridge. Freezer,
which is nice.
Which is great. And there's like a little wine holder, which we love. But yeah, the kitchen is really a decent size. We're really happy with it. I really like the layout of it too, because it's like in a little L. And we bought ourselves a little island, which is gonna go right here.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
So now on to the living room, which is so big now, but we got a giant L couch, so just envision one here. And then our TV units will go here with some plants, and probably a little storage unit here for our keys.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's giant open layout, which we really are happy about.
And the workers have left this like worktopiness. We have to throw this in the hallway. But
yeah, I'm not so sure what that is,
but yeah, no, it's not. It's definitely an echo because
I'll film you. So we have also temporary blinds. These are not our blinds. They're just there for now.
Yeah, we'll get new blinds installed. But yeah, no, it's huge.
It's giant. Honestly, guys, it's so big. So we really like the open concept of it.
Yeah.
That's our mattress, which was delivered yesterday. So just
I had to run down here.
Just ignore that for now. Okay, so you can show them the next room.
So this place is 2 beds, 2 bath. So we need 2 bedrooms because one's going to be an office, and the second bath is just a bonus.
Yes.
So here's like our office. I can come next. I've got the socks on.
Yeah, it just all got really clean. So this is our office room, which I don't know if I can give you guys, like, you guys can't really tell, but it's a decent sized room, and a lot of flats that we saw before this one,
they were pretty small.
They were really tiny rooms, but this room has good size, tall ceilings, a big window, which is great, which we love. Again, the only thing about this flat was that, again, we were looking at a flat which was 2 floors up. So we are on the bottom floor, so we do have, unfortunately, a view of the parking.
But do you know what though? It's the same price. We get an extra bedroom and an extra bathroom. So we lucked out.
Exactly. So why don't you show them the storage, and then I'll do the rest.
Yeah, so then here's like our storeroom.
So this is our storage.
Washing machine and dryer.
Again, super big, like for reference.
Go stand in there.
Yeah, it's huge. Like, so much storage, which is really great because we have a lot of like boxes. We're gonna store some suitcases in here. We're gonna get another
probably a dryer,
but we have our washer in here. So this is just like so nice to have storage, because flats in England are the size of.
I know. I think this one's 75 or 80 square meters. I think. 700
and something.
800 square foot.
Yeah.
It's quite big.
All right, so this is bathroom number 1. This is off of the guest.
Yeah, this is like the big bathroom, which is nice.
And it has a nice big tub, shower.
Yeah.
We've got lots of storage in the sink and us, and the toilet.
Which is good.
And then on to our master bedroom, which is
big bedroom.
Giant.
Yeah, so It's not as big as the original apartment.
Yes,
However,
the
it's
other
longer.
flat we wanted to get again was much bigger, I would say. But we have these giant closets, which have like really good storage, which is nice. Anyways, so
Yeah,
we
but
have
this
these
is
giant
huge,
closets.
So it literally goes.
There he goes.
All
Goodbye.
the way through. I can't get through that gap, but you can see it now.
Yeah, it goes all the way back. So again, something about England is that storage is very hard to come by.
So we've got big beds.
Giant bed going there.
Which is the only place it can really go.
And then we're gonna put a TV there or some storage unit there.
Yeah,
and then we have our bathroom, which is just like an ensuite bathroom. It's not as big as the other one, but
it's nice big.
Has a shower, has a good sink.
Oh, I didn't even see it had like a rain shower.
Yeah,
I literally just thought it was the
No, we got a nice towel rack, towel heater. But yeah. It's so funny, you guys. I thought originally when we first saw the flat that this was real concrete. It's not.
Nah, these things are built for a price.
It's definitely a cheap material, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, so that's our bathroom from our room. And then here's like a view of our bedroom, which I'm sure you guys will see a lot of. And then back to the hallway. So that's our flat. We are so excited. The echoes will be echoes no more in a matter of hours because literally we are about to move in all of our stuff.
It's gonna be hot and crazy. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna, oh my god. We're gonna film it. We're gonna film the car, show what's in there. My dad's van, his work van, is like a Ford Transit. It's huge, right?
Full.
That's filled full.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So
okay guys,
this is it.
that is it.
It's huge.
That's our flat. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you like it and you're excited to see all
the transformation. It's gonna take
transformations that are gonna be coming your way because we have so much to build, so much to decorate.
It's funny, right? Because we bought so much furniture, we think we almost bought too much. Then
we have a lot of space.
I feel like we might not have enough.
And the best thing about this apartment, guys, and a huge reason why we decided to move here, was for two reasons really. It's really close to my office, which is great because I don't drive, so I can walk to work. And we are literally in the cutest little town. We're obviously not going to share exactly where, but we have like the most awesome high street filled with restaurants and cafes.
Yeah, it's really, really
places
nice.
to work out, yoga studios, nail salons, everything you could need.
And we're one train away from London.
Exactly.
It takes like 20 minutes, so it's perfect.
Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes just to get straight into London, which is great. So we're really excited, and we hope you enjoyed this little flat tour. I can't wait to show you guys more once it's furnished.
So now it's time to call the troops.
Time to call the troops. Time to continue our
start getting some stuff in. We'll do a time lapse.
We'll check in with you guys later. Bye.